I'm Dr. Joel Brook, one of the podiatrists here at Dallas Podiatry Works. You know, the foot is not the best place on the body to perform cosmetic surgery. The foot is all about function, and surgery has the potential to alter its function and should be reserved for those with, amongst other things, pain and progressive deformity. These criteria don't just come about from our extensive training and experience, but are considered standards of care by foot and ankle surgeons nationwide. That being said, we understand that patients have legitimate aesthetic concerns which can be treated using methods and techniques that do not negatively impact the function of the foot. One such treatment involves the use of volume-enhancing injections. In our practice, we refer to this soft tissue supplementation as insoles for your soles. Patients often present to our practice with a primary complaint of pain in the ball of their feet. Pain in this area can come from a variety of different things. When it is a result of excessive pressure from shoes or atrophy of the fat pad in the ball of the foot, we can help. We can plump up or supplement the soft tissue in the ball of your foot with the same FDA-approved injectables that plastic surgeons and dermatologists have been injecting into people's faces for years. This is performed in the office with the use of local anesthesia. Patients have been experiencing significant relief of symptoms lasting upwards of 6 to 9 months at a time. This enables many to use that closet full of shoes that have been hurting them for years. One of the nice things about this treatment is that we have experienced negligible level of complications. So, if you're interested in getting more information about this, please come visit us for your individualized and comprehensive consultation.